The ULTA Vacation Vibes Summer Sampler Kit is available now for $30 with 16 skincare must-haves for the sunny days ahead. If I do happen to get this in PR, I will do a full review for you. Sunny skin ahead, prep for sunny, glowy skin with this Beauty Finds by ULTA Beauty Vacation Vibes Summer Sampler Kit. The kit will include Beekman 1802 Milk Primer SPF 35 3-in-1 Daily Defense Sunscreen and Makeup Perfector 0.5 ounces. Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base 0.24 ounce. Clinique 7-Day Scrub 1 ounce. COSRX Vitamin C Serum 0.7 ounce. Dermalogical Pore Screen SPF 40 Mineral Sunscreen with niacinamide 0.17 ounce. First Aid Beauty KP Bump Eraser Body Scrub with 10% AHA 1 ounce. Fresh Soy Face Cleanser 0.5 ounce. Kopari Beauty Golden Aura Body Oil with 24K gold and hyaluronic acid 0.7 ounce. Maylee's Be Tight Lift and Firm Booty Mask 0.5 ounces. Ole Henriksen Banana Bright Vitamin C Serum 0.25 ounce. Origins Ginseng Gel Cream Moisturizer 0.5 ounce. Peach and Lily Glass Skin Veil Mist 1.35 ounce. Paragon MD Cold Plasma Plus Advanced Serum Concentrate 0.25 ounce. Peter Thomas Roth Potent C Moisturizer Deluxe Sample 0.25 ounce. Sunday Riley CEO Glow Vitamin C plus Turmeric Face Oil 0.17 ounce. Supergoop Unseen Sunscreen SPF 40 0.5 ounces. Let me know if you guys are thinking about picking this up. Hope you're having a beautiful day, and I will see you soon. Bye.